Okay, passengers. Today's adventure finds us in the 747 again. Damn, nothing but trees and snow. Oh, and a couple clouds. Great. As we look around the cockpit, I was thinking to myself, I gotta start flying in some warmer weather. Because even if we crash here and survive, I'll freeze to death. And there is nowhere to land other than the airport, so we need to make it. Oh, there we go. Just over 8 miles. Okay. 8 miles to go, which means in 6 miles, all the bad things start to happen. I mean, that looks like the runway, but is it plowed? Or did we just land on, like, snow and ice? Alright. This is usually when the, alarms and bells start going off.
Sync rate.
Hey, there you go. See, sync rate. It's not a real flight unless you get the sync rate warning.
Sync rate.
Oh, again? We're still at 200 knots.
Sync rate.
Listen, I'm doing the best I can.
1,000.
I mean, if I hit the runway, I'd be amazed.
400. 300. 200.
As usual, for some reason, I like landing on the grass.
50.
It seems to cushion the blow
30.
and lessen the
20,
screaming
10.
from the back. Holy shit, we're down. I think we're down. Oh, I'm so amazed I forgot to hit the brakes. Come on. Oh, I might think we're gonna stop. Look at this. No one's getting a refund today. That was successful.